Hello students, welcome back to my class. Moi Dr. Rajiv Bora aru aji class to birat interesting because ami Ohomor bikhoye discuss koribole goi asu. So biheke ami iman matha lagabon lage hane ami bahut bostu already janu. So aji topic to hol vegetation type of Northeast India with special reference to Assam. So Assamor jodi kotha patu ami kot located in the northeastern part of India. Jodi ami India map khon saw enoka dhoroner hane India map enoka aru amar jodi ami heri koru east west north south so northeast ei area tot amar so enake jodi bhag koru so northeast region to yat ase amar Okhom to yat located okay so showcase a diverse range of vegetation types due to its varied topography and climate. So prothom tropical wet evergreen forest pawami. So tar location hol found in Assam Valley and parts of Barak Valley. Characteristics hol dense canopy, significant rainfall and high biodiversity. Amar Okhom ba northeast jodi kotha pata yat bahut besi biodiversity ase hone biodiversity hotspots ase Ramsar sites ase bahut important. So etia lahe lahe amar junto north or mane government India government etia importance to buji paise northeast aru lahe lahe epine look east kori ase hone bostu bilak etia explore korise bahut bostu bilak bhalo hoise out bahut khetrot beya hoise ja okay now flora jodi saw ki dhonor flora poa jay mane plants kenoka dhonor poa jay include species like Dipterocarpus macrocarpus Soria assamica and numerous orchids. Second, tropical moist deciduous forest poa jay yat. Location jodi saw widespread in central and lower Assam. Dhubri-subri area etu poa jay. Characteristics jodi saw trees shed leaves in the dry season, slightly open canopy. Flora jodi saw dominated by Sal Shoria robusta, Tectona grandis and Dillenia indica. Next, bamboo and cane breaks mane belak zone ase dangor areas ase jod niki bamboo aru cane besike poa jay. Location jodi swa common throughout Assam. Okhomot bamboo aru amar ghor bari pisphale ba ase hone sobore maximum khetrot so bamboo to commonly poa jay. Characteristics dense thickets of bamboo and cane. Flora bambusa tulda, Dendrocalamus, Hamilton and various cane species. Wetlands and grasslands poa jay amar yat. Vegetation jodi kotha patu location found in Brahmaputra and Barak valleys that wetlands bahut thake grasslands hane. Characteristics seasonal flooding rich in grasses and aquatic plants. Flora Saccharum spontaneum, Phragmites, Carca and numerous hydrophytes that poa jay. Finally ami jodi saw eta riparian vegetation poa jay tat location to hol along the banks of major rivers like the Brahmaputra and Barak valley mane jun bilak mane amar main nodi ase rivers aru uponodi ase rivers aru tar side tributaries bilak ase hehetor side juntu vegetation grow hoy hetu hol riparian vegetation hone. Characteristics jodi swa adapted to periodic flooding, stabilizes river bank. Flora jodi swa includes species like Salix, Tamarix and Boringtonia. So etue hol tumalukor northeaster eta vegetation or overview plus special reference to Assam ami bostu kini hikilu. So this was all about your phytogeography aru as a whole tumalukor junkhon plant ecology and phytogeography paper khon. I hope ei paper khon mur logot pohi tumalukor bhal lagile concepts bilaku buji pala bahut ei lastor unit to phytogeography to demand concept nasile but agor bilak jun bilak concept asile ecology ba ecosystem or concept bilak bhal ke buji pala mur logot jodi buji pala please like eta koriba aru comment eta koriba son কোনে কোনে বুজি পালা ভালকে যে পেপাৰখন এতিয়া স্যাৰ মোৰ হাতৰ মুঠিত যি কোনো কোৱেশ্চনস আহক মই পাৰিম স্যাৰ মোৰ ভাল লাগিব মনটো আৰু যদি তোমালোকৰ অফ কোৰ্স নোটস লাগে ইউ ক্যান অলৱেজ চেক মাই ওয়েবসাইট nokhumiyabio.com বাট নোটস বিলাক লব পাৰা সো দিস ওয়াজ অল অ্যাবাউট দ্য চ্যাপ্টাৰ দিস ওয়াজ অল অ্যাবাউট ইয়োৰ পেপাৰ আমি নেক্সট ক্লাছত আমি এটা নতুন ইউনিট স্টাৰ্ট কৰিম ফৰ এ নিউ পেপাৰ আমি ফাৰ্স্ট সেম স্টাৰ্ট কৰিম এতিয়া ওকে Thank you so much. Meet you in the next class. Bye bye.